So over here, you can see that I got these groups right here. And if I want to go ahead and let's say, for example, rename this out, then I can go ahead and then right click and rename this group. So I can go ahead and say, let's say, for example, YouTube example right here. You can even go ahead and right click and duplicate this group out right here. So you can see that an exact copy of the group is created just like this. So for the copy, I can go ahead and then let's say, for example, rename and say example right here. And you can go ahead and click and drag these in right here just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. Apart from that, I can also go ahead and let's say, for example, right click and delete out a group as I want. Same goes for the preset as well. So I got presets right here. I can right click and rename this out right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say LinkedIn copy right here just like this. And I can go ahead right here and say my copy right here. I can rename it. I can go ahead and then duplicate this out right here. And I can even go ahead and delete this out as needed. And that is how you can go ahead and rename, duplicate, and delete out presets and even groups, that is preset groups inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.